Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So let's do a quick crypto update. What do we watch? First, I'm just going to update this little level to here. That's the most recent swing, especially since we've had the bigger pullback. So we got a little sell-off. We're now clearly below the rotation zone. We hit, again, don't worry about the lows. They're just something to confirm other things. Start focusing on the closes. So you see here, we talked about the 50 period exponential moving average, and look at the price action. Look at all these candle bodies, and then you use the wicks as reinforcement. If we come across here, look at all these candle bodies, and look at where it ended up closing, then running away, and now it's in consolidation right here. Looks like we might get the first cross the rotation zone. So there could be potentially a bigger pullback. If you get below about 9,500, then we'll start watching downwards of right down around about 9,250 area. You can also do the extension levels. So we come up here, we go to this most recent swing high, gonna go to this key low, going to go and do my 12 and 25% extensions. So that gives me an idea. If we do break below 93.05, 92.23, 91.41, 91.41, this is where I will pay attention to a wick. This wick's just below that. So now I have a GAN level there tied in with a wick. And then just slightly below there, I have a key close and a runaway gap or a runaway open. So that's going to be an area I target on a further decline. Now, on any rally, let's see. Going to be watching the first cross the rotation zone and this area right around here. We got this key open here. We have these candles over here. We have it cut through a bunch of wicks. There's just a little area. This is like a dual area of significance, but it's not far apart. So I go to the round number about 9,600. Through 9,600, the major area I'd start watching, you see here where it was resistance before, popped above it, then dropped below it, resistance, resistance. So I'm going to pick, especially focus on the most recent price action, about 9,800. So you see most recent price action, we have all of these wicks, these key reversal combinations, so a big rally and a reversal candle. These candles just reversing right below it, about 97.75. So you can say 97.75 to 9,800 is the key resistance on any rally. Volume coming in on the dropping candle bar that returned us to the close near the 50. Looking at the daily. So right now we're going to be really close. We're going to be really careful in watching where this closes. The rotation zones, right, I'm just going to be watching that 9,500 level. 9,500, a close above that still keeps it above the rotation zone. We dipped into it and it rallied back. A close below it takes us into the rotation zone, and look at this. Look at that 91.41 or 91.42 level, 91.50, all in that vicinity. When you're talking about a $9,100 or $9,500 stock, that's pennies. When you're talking about a little difference of that to have a target area. So 91.42, bottom of the rotation zone, that's key level. If we continue to sell off, that's where we'll be watching. If we did drop below that, my major next area of focus would be down about 85.75. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also drifting sideways, could not hold the rotation zone, moving down, hitting the 50, closing back up. We have this little support shelf, the prior support shelf becoming resistance, some of these little wicks dipping down to that. If you look here, so about 209, we'll just call it 209. Still, the rotation zone has not crossed yet, but 209, if we get a close below 209, I'll really be focused on this next shelf about 202.25. Again, you can also do your GAN level projection down. I'll just do it, might as well. So this is what you want to be doing. This is what we do for everything we're actively trading. We put it in to just look at the key levels. We move these over again, realign them to the middle. Okay. So then I look for, all right, here we go. 202. Remember I said that before, 202.25, 202. Look at that, 202.13 from the GAN level. So that's just reinforcing this. So the natural rhythm of the market is happening to reinforce the prior price action. Really pay attention. Doesn't mean it has to go there. But if we start breaking down, especially below that 209 level, and then I'll watch roughly because we spiked just below that 50. But if we get below that 50, I know what I'm targeting next. Now, on any rally, we're sitting right at the resistance right now, about 211. Then look at all these candle bodies. Look at all this. 214, that's my next level of the upside. And you know we've talked about the 215 level repeatedly. Let me jump out to the daily now. Daily chart, once the data comes in. That 215 level, you can clearly see right now how strong that level is. So 214 to 215 on any rally. Dipping into the rotation zone, but still closing up. Finally getting some separation in the rotation zone. Not fully paying attention to it yet on the daily, but look where the bottom of it comes in. Just slightly below the 202.13 level. So that's going to be on multiple time frames the level I'm focused on any sell-off initially. Hope this helps everyone. Let us know in the comments, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.